Hey folks, today we're gonna work on a 2003 Chevy Malibu. We've got a compressor clutch that's grinding steel, so we're gonna try to replace that and see where we get. Come along for the ride. So for this job, we have a FourSeasons 47654 clutch assembly. That's how she comes. Let's see what old do we got here. Looks about right. Beautiful. All right, that's what we're working with today. We did a borrow tool program, and for today we are using an OEM 77150 deluxe AC clutch hub puller and an installer kit. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, wow, lots of fun here. Okay. Lots of good stuff. The kit looks in decent shape for borrowing. So let's start digging into it. Now, let's see if I can get you guys in there to see what the problem is. Let's just slide our way in here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up or not. Let's see if I can get you in even closer. So I don't know if you see all the nice bright little shavings in there, but my daughter let me know that it started making a little bit of a sound, so we checked it out, and I don't like the look of that. I think the clutch is worn through, so we'll dig in and see what we can get. I think we're gonna have to do everything through the wheel well, so we'll let's see what we can set up. I'll probably have to undo a few things up here. We'll see how it goes. By the way, just want to say I absolutely love these lights. WatchWesWork was using these. Now up here in Canada it's a little different. It's a grip brand. You actually, I had to order these from Princess Auto online. They did not carry it in the store, but they had it online. These things are absolutely amazing, and I have a lot of extra batteries for them. I actually have hundreds and hundreds of these 18650 cells that are recycled out of old laptop batteries, and they charge and work in these lights hunky-dory. That's my setup for charging 18650 batteries, so I never run out of light because of Wes. Just saying. Also thought I'd mention these batteries for your power tools have these cells in them. Rip it apart. When your battery goes bad, it's usually only one or two of these. The other 8 or more are still good. Just have to have the right charger and you're good to go. Use them in your lights. Don't forget, remove the battery. Well, unhook it anyway. It's always good for a number of reasons. My primary reason is so it doesn't accidentally start on you if you touch something you shouldn't. Don't ask me how I know that. Uh-oh, I think I just forgot to record taking that belt off. Well, I'm not doing it again. Okay, well, I'll have to wait for my daughter to find her lug nut key so I can get the wheel off. I'm going to scooch down here, and there's two 15mm bolts here that hold the compressor up, or at least the ones that are reachable from the top. So I'm going to go ahead and scooch those off. Not sure I can get you a camera angle of that while I'm doing it, but those are the next step that I'm going to do after taking the belt off. So next, we're going to take this panel off, and we should have access to what we're trying to work on. I like it, but Makita, battery this way is a bad idea. Let's see if we can, how bad this is going to be. And there we go. So the way these guys work, they screw in. Ooh, and that's not, those threads don't look like they're going to be very friendly to me. Looks like it's going to be this one. But I gotta clean out in those threads. So this is a 1 inch and the other one's a 3/4 inch. So those are the wrenches that I just grabbed, and bearing in there seems to be all right, so I think it's just clutch plate's worn out, or at least that's my hope. Let's get this one in and see if we can pop this guy off. There we go. I'm not using the impact for this because I want to be a little gentle with her. And obviously you can see I'm not stressing myself out, so this is, it's not crazy work to do. It's just slightly pressed on. It's coming off pretty easy here. Still a little tight, but not much. There she comes. There we go. You can see there's a snap ring here. So we don't want that to really fly off, but probably somebody out there who's going to see this. It's not going to like the way I'm taking this off. But you take it off the way you can. There we go. No problem. Okay, well that wasn't fun. I don't have a puller that really works on this, so I got some help from the better half. I got some pry bars and wiggled and jiggled until she came off. She's just a press fitting. It's not even a press fitting, quite honestly. To get that pulley off of there and the bearing. Okay, I didn't film me getting the bolt started for the top of that. So I figured that might actually be kind of boring and there might have been a little bit of cussing, but you don't need to know that, do you?
Alright, I'm gonna see. I can do a little reach around up here. Yeah, probably not. Whoever designs this stuff does not design it for actually working on. Oh, maybe. A little bit. I'll just tighten it super tight. Just get through the 10 miles of threads that they put on this stuff. Now, I actually think I can reach the other one. What am I doing? I would hope if I could see where I'm going. And, yeah, I ain't reaching it from here. Alright. So I can reach that guy. He's a little stubby. Everybody heard that click. You don't see it, it didn't happen. I'm gonna tighten the spec. These bolts up here. To the top side of the compressor. And really all we gotta do is get the belt on and we can test this thing out and see if she's actually working. And that's easy to get to, that's for sure. I think it's more the angle downward facing that gets a person. Click. That one's good.
They do give you this wonderful little diagram. Sorry about the lights. To figure it out. So I'm going to wrestle with that with two hands. Try to see if I can get it right, and then we'll get her tightened back on. Seem to have a deficit. Here it is. Whoop. All right. These things are easy to put in. Line them up and push them in. Done. There. The ones that I have, that seems to do the trick. I think my work here is done. Anyway, so that's it. The end of the story. 2013 Chevy Malibu. Wait, 2003 Chevy Malibu. Changing the clutch on the AC compressor. Works dandy now. All right, remember, like and subscribe. You want to see me do more random stuff in my life? We'll talk to you later. All right, now hold on a second. I want to talk about this light a little more. I love it. Love Wes's channel. Learned a lot. He's an amazing mechanic. My wife, she loves his videos too. What she doesn't like is I watch a Wes video and all of a sudden I'm buying another tool. So Wes, this is your fault. But I'm okay with it. Wife, we'll see. Okay, just thought I'd put that out there. You're a good and a bad influence, Wes. That's because of 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 Matt at Diesel Creek. That's because of Wes. Came in a pair. That's because of Wes. That's because of me.